Look, now I put the safety lock off. There you go. You can also hang it in your pants or something. See, it's so good. This knife is actually good. Look at it. Wow. And it's very sharp too. You know, it's handy while camping, going to the desert or places. It's a very heavy duty knife, made for serious business. Serious. Oh, I almost cut myself like that. Yeah, you can look, you can hang it in your belt, hang it in your pants or a trouser. It got this. Yeah, that's it guys. See you guys in the next video.